Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 15th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we had this big push down at the 61%. Now, it did not break structure, but it definitely was very, very impulsive. Now, looking at the US dollar index primarily as my main direction, I still have a pretty hard time believing we're not going to make at least another leg to the upside. So I would definitely be keeping an eye on this move up on shorter time frames to see if it makes any higher lows and higher highs, because the US dollar index is still telling us that the dollar is bearish. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, for me, the red flag that this is going to keep going down is the fact that it never did break structure. If this really was a real turn, you would have expected it to have broken structure. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on here because no matter what, these areas are definitely going to be areas of resistance on the way up. But if this just continues to make higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, then I think we better look for longs. If at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels it goes down and gives you a very significant break of structure, then I would definitely suggest at that point to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.